Whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Walt. Here we are with part 24 of the 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis series. So, 24 parts in. What are we talking all about? This one, we are talking about inspiration. So, to be inspired by either people or to read about people. And I don't think that the reading one is necessarily like the case. You can easily be inspired by like listening to a great motivational speaker or experiencing something great in TV or movies. There's some certain characters I really like and success stories I really love that really just inspire me in that direction. And also, of course, reading being in an auditory way, you can do that because I'm one of those people that just has a hard time sitting still to read. I like to do other things, so being able to listen to audiobooks is kind of way better. So anyway, that might just be me, but yeah, I mean, inspiration is key, okay? If you want to be happy, you got to be inspired. And to be inspired, a lot of things about success are grinding, okay? A lot of things you think, oh boy, I'm going to go get this, it's going to be so good. And then you're like, oh, this is taking forever. I was going to think I was just going to have to stay up 2 hours, but here I am up 8 hours and I still can't get this. Why can't I get this? I want to succeed. I'm trying so hard. Why don't I have this? And it's that experience for everybody, okay? We hear inspiration and it can make it all better. But also realize that there will be some grind in your work, okay? There will be points when you don't want to keep going, and sometimes it's wise to listen to yourself then, and sometimes it's not, okay? It's not always a perfect system. But being able to kind of go after what you want really requires some inspiration. You need something to spark up your desire to say, you know what, I got this. And there's an amazing piece of self-help material I heard that basically goes into looking at everything based on the opportunity, not on the obligation. So regardless of if you have to do it or not, look at the opportunity you have and don't think about the obligation of what it will take to do that. Just think about the opportunity, because this is really what will inspire you. And don't overload yourself too much here, but go after what you want and you can get it. Desire it, believe it, achieve it, kind of thing. So yeah. And also, that is better than wish it, want it, do it there, Brian. You know, that's not a good idea. Family Guy. Such a good episode. Anyway, but yeah. Desire it, believe it, achieve it. Go after what you want. Get inspired by either people or books or videos or movies or TV or me or whatever it is. Get inspired and let's be happy. Let's have some fun. Let's succeed. See you guys next time.